This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Kalendrich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 015094112. Single level in SONORA KNOLLS. This home offers level entry with level parking and not a single step to get inside the home. Contemporary floor plan with high ceilings and ample space to furnish each room. The kitchen offers space within for either an island or table as currently used. A breakfast bar and walk-in pantry are just a bonus to this already accommodating kitchen. The master suite offers high ceilings with a display ledge, walk-in closet and stall shower. Guest rooms are complete with ceiling fans and one with mirrored closet doors. The hall bathroom offers a tub/shower with glass doors. The grounds are a breeze to maintain as mostly natural landscaping surrounds the back with a river rock border along the front. The basement offers a great space to incorporate additional storage if desired with a platform already in place. Central heat and air, public water and sewer, home could make for a great rental or full-time residence. For more information, review the details below or contact Kalendrich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 015094112 at 209-768-4312.